If I had to start cybersecurity from zero in 2026, I would not waste time on random courses, unnecessary coding, or information overload. I would follow a clear path, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you. Most beginners fail before they even start, not because cybersecurity is too hard, but because they don't know where to focus. They jump between courses, tools, and topics, and end up confused. The first step is simple, but most people skip it. You need to understand how systems actually work, how computers communicate, how networks function, and how data moves. Without this, nothing else makes sense. If you only focus on two things in the beginning, make it these: networking and security basics, because every attack, every vulnerability, every tool is built on top of these fundamentals. Once you understand the basics, move to tools. Not building tools, not coding them, just learning how to use them properly. Because in real jobs, tools do most of the heavy lifting. Let's be clear. As a beginner, you're not building security systems from scratch. You're using existing platforms to detect, analyze, and respond to threats. That's the real job. This is where everything changes. You don't learn cybersecurity by watching content. You learn by practicing, solving problems, making mistakes, and figuring things out. Use labs and simulations. Put yourself in real scenarios. The more you practice, the faster everything starts to make sense. Don't wait until you feel ready, because that moment never comes. Start applying early. Even if it's not your dream role, it's your entry point. Most people start in entry-level roles like SOC analyst or IT support, and that's completely fine, because that's where you gain real experience. If I had to start again in 2026, I wouldn't wait. I wouldn't overthink. I would start and figure things out along the way. If you want real cybersecurity guidance without the hype, make sure to subscribe, because most people don't fail because it's hard. They fail because they follow the wrong path.